Welcome to Agentic Analytics Studio, AAS. It's analytics that doesn't stop at what happened. It generates prioritized actions you can review, approve, and track, backed by trust signals. To get started, you can click Try Demo, take a quick tour, or jump straight into one of our Hero Story Insight pipelines. Try Demo resets the app to a clean demo state and loads our default scenario. Tour simply replays the overlay without changing where you are. Along the top are live trust signals, API status, Salesforce connectivity, and the LLM in use, so you always know what systems are online and what data you're seeing. For this walkthrough, we'll skip the tour and run 3 hero plays: pipeline, revenue, and churn. Hero Play 1, Pipeline Leakage. The pipeline is full, but revenue still misses. Deals get stuck, and teams waste time guessing which ones matter most. With one click, AAS runs pipeline leakage and generates action cards that tell you what's slipping, why it's at risk, and the best next move, ready for human approval. On the left is the Tableau-style insight view. Here, Segment breaks results into enterprise, mid-market, and SMB. And stage age days is how long opportunities have been sitting in their current stage. Higher means more stalled. When I click a segment in the chart, the recommended actions list updates to match that context, so the visualization and the action queue stay in sync. Notice the action types. This Slack card drafts a risk alert to the right channel, with the opportunity ID and estimated impact, so sales ops and the deal teams see it immediately. Preview it, then approve to send, or ignore to dismiss. And this Salesforce card turns insight into execution, creating a follow-up task on the exact stalled opportunity, with who to contact and what's slipping. Under the hood, AAS uses agentic workflows to propose these actions, but a human stays in control with approve/ignore on every step. Now let's look at impact. The impact dashboard rolls up outcomes across runs: total estimated value, actions approved, and completed analyses. It also highlights the top performing play, so leaders can see what's driving results. And when you're ready to share, export the report in one click. AAS packages the overview and the approved actions into a clean, judge-friendly summary. Hero Play 2, Revenue Forecast. Instead of a forecast that only tells you the number, AAS pinpoints what's driving the gap and recommends the highest impact plays to protect and improve the quarter. Again, with impact estimates and approvals. Finally, here's the Tableau overview behind this play. AAS doesn't replace Tableau, it activates it. Use Tableau to explore and spot patterns, then let AAS convert that insight into prioritized actions you can actually execute. Hero Play 3, Churn Rescue. Churn is invisible until it's too late. AAS surfaces at-risk accounts early, explains the signals, and generates retention actions, like an urgent check-in or a Slack notification, so you prevent churn instead of reporting it. That's Agentic Analytics Studio. Tableau-powered insight, agentic recommendations, human-in-the-loop approvals, and measurable impact. Thanks for watching.